Live outside of the County Health Department building with details about the funding. Vinny?
Yeah, Marley, the Tippecanoe County Commissioners are opting into more than $2 million in 2024 and $4 million in 2025 in state public health funding. Governor Eric Holcomb is allocating $300 million over the next 2 years towards boosting Indiana's county public health department funding. Every county who chooses to opt into the funding will receive between $2 million and $2.7 million in 2024 and between $4 and $5.4 million in 2025. Tippecanoe County Health Officer Dr. Greg Loomis says some counties were hesitant on taking the money.
Some people did not want to opt in because they thought it was going to provide more control of their county by the state, which is absolutely not true.
The Tippecanoe County Commissioners made a quick decision to opt in.
For us here locally, it makes perfectly good sense because we know we have a great team in place, County Health Department led by Dr. Loomis, and he's looking at some things that can improve the health of the citizens of Tippecanoe County.
Loomis is working on a budget for how he plans to use the money to improve the health department and the county.
We have to come up with a fairly strict budget on how we're going to use that money, whether it's going to be for salaries, whether it's going to be for build out, which we're going to do. We're going to do a build out project, and we're going to be hiring more people in different areas.
According to the state, at least 60% of the funding must be spent on these services, and no more than 40% may be spent on these services. Loomis says it's been a really good experience with the commissioners and his team.
I think everybody recognizes that this was long overdue and wants to make sure that every penny gets into public health.
Loomis says the county will receive that money in the beginning of January, and they'll get to work as soon as possible. Reporting live in Lafayette, Vinny Motorano, News 18.